Introducing Generac's new SPEEDWASH pressure washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The SPEEDWASH pressure washer features best-in-class cleaning power with 3,200 PSI. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. Choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap, to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer. The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-foot cleaning path for faster, uniform results. The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3,200 SPEEDWASH features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. And 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. The SPEEDWASH pressure washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The SPEEDWASH features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac's SPEEDWASH pressure washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.